Good evening and welcome to the Ashfield Middle School Virtual Open House. I want to thank all of you for coming and logging in tonight. It'll be a great chance for you to meet your students' teachers and ask any questions that you have about how their classrooms run. I want to thank everyone for all their help in getting the technology out to students and your patience while we navigated the new systems that we're learning. Tonight, during this segment, you're going to meet some of our important support staff. Each of them play a very important role in supporting your child with all of their needs. After that segment is finished, we'll hear from our band and chorus directors, and they'll let you know about the opportunities that are available in the music program. Finally, you'll go and log into your student schedule. Following that, every 10 minutes all night long until the last half hour. During that time, you'll be able to see the teachers, ask the questions, and see what resources are available. Thank you very much and have a great evening.
Well, hello everybody. This is Mr. K, your assistant principal here at Ashfield Middle School. This is the way that we're doing our open house this year, right? Because of everything that's going on, we have to be careful about not having people get together in big groups and too close and all of that. So what we're doing is recording some different things from some of the people that you'll eventually get to see in person, because we will be back to school eventually. I want to say nice job to everybody out there, parents, students that have been working so hard to do your classes online, get up to date with Zoom and Teams and Clever and Schoology and all the different platforms that people are using. Nice job, students and parents, for helping them out. We know it's a lot, and we get phone calls all the time. We work together with you, and we will keep doing that together until we're eventually back here in school. A couple things to remind people about. We have the student parent handbooks. We sent these out, we sent the message out so that you can do these electronically. If you haven't yet, I'll probably send a reminder about that. But again, that's to complete the student parent handbook for this year. It looks like this, but the one that you're doing is online for right now. Also, we have our laptop user agreements. I know you can't see this, but this is something else that we sent out electronically. We got most of these. The handbook we just sent out a request, so I'll send another reminder on that. But there's just a couple of things for you to be aware of. Again, eventually we will be back here. We really do believe that, and I look forward to seeing everybody in person when we're finally able to do that. One more reminder, when we do come back, the masks, right? We got to make sure we're all doing this. So here we go, there's mine. So when you see me, I'll look like this. And again, we look forward to everybody coming back when it's time, and we'll do it the right way with our 6 feet social distancing, with our masks, being careful with each other. That way we can finish our school year strong and do it together, which would really be nice. So I look forward to seeing everybody in person. Thank you very much for coming to your open house, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.
Hello, Ashfield parents. My name is Eileen McQuaid, and I am the Associate Principal here at Ashfield Middle School. My job here is to take care of curriculum and to work with teachers to make sure that they are delivering the best instruction for your students so that they can achieve to their highest level. We really value students and their achievement here at the Ashfield Middle School, and I am here to help. This is a very interesting year this year, and I wish that I could meet you in person, but I'm very happy to meet you on the video instead. If you have any questions and you need any help at all with your students' education, with any of his lessons, or you have questions about the curriculum, please feel free to call the school or to email me at the email address which is on the screen. Thank you very much, and enjoy Open House at the Ashfield 2020.
Hi everybody, I'm glad you were able to join us tonight for this open house. My name is Mary Reed, or Nurse Mary, and I just want to take a minute to introduce myself to anyone who's new to the Ashfield School this year. This school year is going to present some unique challenges in terms of keeping us all healthy and safe, but I know we can do it if we work together. You hopefully can see my phone number on the screen. You can just call the main number for the Ashfield and press 1 to be connected to the nurse's office. Please call me anytime, leave me a message, email me. We have a fax number. Reach out anytime you need me, anytime you have any issues or concerns. Everybody has a lot of questions this year, so no question is silly. I'd love to hear from you. And one thing, while I do have your attention, is there is a new state requirement this year that all students in school have to have a flu vaccine by December 31st, 2020. So this is a good time to get your flu vaccine, and that's parents too, not just the kids. But when, you can go to CVS, Walgreens. If your child is getting a physical, just remind your primary care provider that, to request a flu vaccine. And make sure that you get documentation that you can bring back to school so that we can get it entered into your child's record. Thanks for taking the time to join us tonight. Again, please reach out with anything at all, any concerns you have, and please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much, and we're going to have a great school year. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Salvatore. I'm your guidance counselor here at Ashfield Middle School. Some of you already know me. For my 7th and 8th graders, welcome back. But for my 6th graders, I just wanted to introduce myself and kind of let you know what I do around here. So a lot of students will come to me when they're having issues with their classes, whether they need academic support or any other things that could go wrong inside the classroom. My office is upstairs in the 7th grade hallway, and hopefully you guys will see that when you come back to the building, hopefully soon. My number to my office and my email address will be down below, hopefully underneath this video. So if you ever need anything, you can call me on Teams, you can write me an email, or you can call my office directly and leave me a message. I look forward to seeing you all hopefully sooner rather than later. Bye.
Hello, my name is Dr. Lewis, the School Adjustment Counselor here at the Ashfield Middle School. As a School Adjustment Counselor, I provide counseling services to students in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade here. Also, I support families. If there's issues or concerns the family has, I'm also there for the family. I work with students when they are struggling with the schoolwork, at home, personal issues, or some peer conflicts. That's what I do. I'll work with you. We'll go through the system and we'll try to get some resolutions with things. I also will work with the teachers and the administration here with students and classrooms on classroom management and some behavior charts if need be. So kind of do a little bit of everything when it comes to the students' behavioral and social emotional concerns. Also here at the school, I coordinate the 504 plans for students who may need different accommodations to get them through the school day. And also I work with students on individual education plans with behavioral concerns or just engaging in the classrooms. And also another thing I will do is I monitor the attendance here at the Ashfield Middle School to ensure that all students are participating in the classes and also coming to school on a regular basis. So my job here is to help the students, help the families to get through the school day, and also I will coordinate outside services if need be. So I do a little bit of everything, and I'm around the school a lot. So welcome to the Ashfield Middle School, and hopefully we'll be back here in the building soon, but if not, you can always reach me through the information on the school site, and don't feel free to get in touch with me. Okay, again, this is Dr. Lewis, your school adjustment counselor.
Welcome, bienvenue. My name is Miss Cadet. I am one of the adjustment counselors at Ashfield Middle School. Je m'appelle Madame Cadet. Moi c'est connaisseur dans l'école Ashfield. Si vous avez n'importe question, if you have any questions, please contact me at 508-580-7682 or 774-297-7294, as well as my email address, Niola, Niola, cadet, CADET @bpsma.org. Thank you, and again, welcome, bienvenue.
Hi, my name is Miss Marshall. I am a behavioralist at the Ashfield School. I work along with the special ed department and the guidance department. Feel free to contact me. I'm waiting on a phone right now, but you can call me from the main office or email me. Have a good one.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Sterling, and I'm the music teacher here for general music class and also the chorus teacher.
And I'm Mr. May. I'm going to be the band teacher here. I already am.
Yes. So we wanted to talk to you a little bit about the music opportunities here at the Ashfield Middle School. As I just said, I am the chorus director. So we do have chorus here for grades 6, 7, and 8. They meet all together during the school day from 1:55 to 2:35.
And you can also, as well as, be in band, and it meets at the same time. We're going to alternate if you want to be in both ensembles. So I'm teaching 1:55 to 2:35 on Teams Meet right now. We both have things going on through Schoology. So you're going to be at home doing band and chorus.
Yeah, and the cool thing about middle school is that you can actually do both band and chorus because we work together and allow you to do both of those things. You just alternate which days you come to see us. Once you are in chorus, you will be added to the chorus Schoology page so that you can access the link to the Zoom meeting for chorus rehearsals. Same with band.
Same thing for band, yeah. And you might be saying, wait a minute, 1:55. Miss Sterling, don't I have advisory at that time?
Only on Wednesdays, but once you make it into chorus and band, you don't have to go to that advisory period anymore. We will be your advisory period to check in with you at the beginning of class on Wednesdays when we have rehearsals.
Yep, so nice and easy to understand, right?
That's right. If you're interested in trying out for or joining the band or chorus, you can email either of us. And on the bottom of the screen right now is both of our email addresses for you. So go ahead and write those down, or you can call the Ashfield Middle School to try to talk to us about it.
Yep, if you're interested in playing an instrument, if you're interested in singing, it's never too late to get a hold of us.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Nolan. I'm the physical education teacher here at the Ashfield Middle School. I have all the students all year long, once every 4 days. If you would like to meet with me during virtual open house Tuesday, October 6th from 5:30 to 7:30, you could meet me through Teams, contact me through Teams. If you cannot unable to do that, please contact me through email at noellejournan@bpsma.org.
Hi, I'm Linda Haynes. I'm the health teacher here at the Ashfield Middle School. I have a third of the students, and so have probably many of your kids right now, and I'll be seeing the rest during the year. If you have any questions for me, you can call Teams tonight, and otherwise you can get me through the email, LindaHaynes@BrocktonPublicSchoolsMA.org.
Hello, I'm Mr. Flanagan. I am the art teacher at the Ashfield Middle School, and I'll be looking forward to working with the students. I'll be working with the students up on the Schoology, and if you need to contact me, you can do that through the Zoom or my personal account which is up on the screen right now, okay? As I said, I was looking forward to working with the students. Usually the Ashfield students, they have great artwork. The creativity from the students is amazing. And I can't wait to see the amazing work that's going to be produced. So if there are any questions, like I said, you can contact me through Teams or my personal email. And I want you to all have a great night. And I'll be looking forward to meeting you in person.
Hey everyone, Miss Sterling here again, and just to remind you, I am the music teacher here at the Ashfield Middle School. So every student in the building gets to see me for a little bit of time throughout the school year. I'm so excited about the cool new things that we can try this year in virtual music class. We have some awesome software so the kids can start experimenting with different things and stretch their musical wings a little bit, so to speak. So if you have any questions for me or need to contact me, my email is on the bottom of the screen. You can always call the school. You can call me on Teams, or your students can message me through Schoology, where you'll find all the information about music class and all the appropriate links and everything like that. Thanks for coming to Virtual Open House, and we're excited to meet you tonight. This portion of our open house video is going to show you how to navigate through your student's schedule in order to visit the teachers virtually, whether in Teams or Zoom meetings. You're going to go ahead and log onto your child's device as your child. Have them log in like they do every morning, using their student ID number, as well as their password, which is their birthday, and BPS 2021. Once you're ready for that, go ahead and open up Google Chrome. It should bring you to the BPS Student Intranet. From there, you're going to click on the Clever button. This will open up a new tab and bring you to your child's Clever page. Once you are there, you can scroll through and try to find the button that's for Schoology. Click on that. This will open up the landing page for your child's Schoology account. You can navigate your way through your child's course dashboard to head to the classes that you want to visit tonight. The schedule for this evening will be in the following portion of the video. So, the first class you would go to would be Period 1. When you need to find the class, you go ahead and click on the page for that class. At the top of each page, you should have an announcement that gives you the link to the child's meeting, which will either be on Teams or Zoom. From there, your teacher will let you into the meeting so that they can chat with you and meet you for the 10-minute session this evening throughout Virtual Open House.